is day 112. And so today I want to talk about the expression of repairing your divots. So for those of us who are golfers, I used to be at one point in my life, loved the whole country club life. And when you're golfing, it is considered respectful to repair your divots, right? You swing your golf club, and when you have a really good shot, sometimes you fling this chunk of grass over, right? And so if we left it like that, we'd end up with a horrible looking golf course. I'm sure some of us have been on those, like a lot of times the public courses that people don't feel that ownership and that responsibility, they don't really care. They're only passing through once. So there's chunks all through the golf course. And when you're in a club, when you're in a membership, you care about it, right? So you actually go back and you put that grass in, knowing that that grass will grow back and it'll sprout. And that's how I think we should think about our communication with one another, with our relationships, is seeing that as a membership club, so that when we make our little mistakes, when our communication is off by a bit, we repair our divots for a better place for ourselves and everyone around us.